Hey everyone, Jon Richards here, co-founder of Nomatic. Today we're going to talk through the Method luggage. This comes in two sizes, the check-in size and the carry-on size, and four awesome colors: navy, gray, moss, and black. Today I'm going to walk you through the check-in. These check-ins are made with virgin polycarbonate shells, which make it the strongest in its class. On the exterior of the shell, you have customizable locking zippers on top, two external grab handles, and on this side, you get full perimeter expansion when you need some extra space. Then you have a 3-stage aluminum trolley handle that gives you multiple height choices. One of my favorite features are the silent glide wheels that make rolling super smooth. This is my favorite part about the luggage. Method luggage was actually re-engineered from the wheels up. Most luggage brands use nuts, bolts, and screws to puncture the shell, which actually weaken and damage the shell. With our luggage, you see completely through to the back here. That allows us to essentially micro-weld all the pieces together. A couple things this does, it actually reduces the weight, gives you more capacity, and makes it even stronger. So over on this side, we actually have a mesh dividing wall. And in here, we have a hidden tractor pocket for things like an air tag or a tile, so you'll always know where your luggage is. Over on this side, we have a compression panel that actually folds into 3 different parts. So you can decide which parts you want to compress. You simply clip this together and then cinch it down. So as you can see, the check-in is great for those longer trips or when you have a ton of stuff you need to travel with. We are so excited to get this luggage in your hands and know it will help you live life on the move.